Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I want to show how to make a PLC programming using Mitsubishi ZX Orc 2 software. This program only for beginners who is new student and new engineer and others PLC interested person. So now I can start PLC programming. First I select a new project, then select new project. Then here I select a series, PLC series. Which series? Just I select FX CPU. Then PLC type. Just you can here choose more option, FX0S to FX3UC. So now I select FX3U. Then you language ladder and project type sample project, no problem. Then click OK. Yes, my programming page also open. Okay, first I select input. Input, click here X0. Okay, this is input, and take a new coil Y0. Okay, now I can start the simulation. This programming. Before simulation, we must do rebuild. Okay, rebuild complete. Now we start simulation for test purpose. This program right or wrong? Okay, start simulation starting. Okay, now I go to modify, also push 1. Okay, the program is working. The Y0 output is high. Now input is when input is clicked off, is off. So today I only show only this, and next waiting for next video. And you must everybody must subscribe my channel. This is my new channel. Thank you very much.